What if you could have a home that feels completely new, thoughtfully redesigned with designer finishes, with sweeping mountain and ocean views, plus energy independence? Welcome to 525 5th Street in Montara. As you enter, dramatic vaulted ceilings and a level 5 smooth drywall finish create a modern, airy introduction. And the formal living and dining rooms immediately set a tone that feels both refined and comfortable. From here, the home flows into a beautifully renovated kitchen with designer finishes, new appliances, cabinetry, countertops, tile, lighting, and updated electrical, all thoughtfully brought together. The space opens into a casual dining area and family room that naturally brings people together, creating an easy rhythm for everyday living and entertaining. And just beyond, step out to the deck, where mountain views stretch out in front of you with the ocean just beyond, an ideal setting for morning coffee or winding down at sunset. This level also includes a dedicated office and an extra-large garage with room for storage, hobbies, or a workshop. Downstairs, the primary suite offers a quiet retreat with a spacious layout, 2 closets, and a beautifully updated bath featuring a step-in shower and dual sinks. 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and the laundry room complete this level, along with direct access to the backyard. Outside, the patio is already wired for a future hot tub, and a versatile shed provides the perfect space for a second home office, a media room, or a creative studio. And what truly sets this home apart are the energy features: rooftop solar, Tesla batteries on NEM 2, and a private well, delivering efficiency, resilience, and reliable backup power. All this just minutes from beaches, the coastal trail, and all the shops and restaurants that make this stretch of coastside such a wonderful place to live. I'm Stephanie Sills with Palermo Properties team at Compass. I hope you'll come see us.